Hey everyone, this is the new Broadway Limited 462 Pacific in N scale. I'm going to see what we can do with it. I'm going to pull 20 cars up this 2% grade over my mountain pass here. We'll see how it does. You count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the caboose makes 20. Now the grade starts right about here, and it continues through the tunnel. There's a 12.5-inch radius, 180-degree curve inside the tunnel to reverse direction and come back around here. And that grade continues 2% all the way up and around the bend here and levels out on the other side. And we'll just follow the train around and see how the loco does. I try to stay as close as I can so that you can see the drivers to see if it's slipping. Pull wide here so we can see the whole train. There's the whole train. The summit, right about here, it levels out. That's pretty impressive for an N-scale steam locomotive to pull 20 cars up that grade. I have two Broadway Limited Mikados, and they can only pull about 12 cars, so this locomotive outpulls the Mikados.